In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make money from day one without being a partner streamer. That way you stay motivated to be able to grow your stream and personal brand. So let's go ahead and dive into my money making machine so I can break down these 5 different ways that you can start making money today. Alright, so here we are inside of my money making machine, and the very first out of the 5 ways that you can start making money today as a new streamer or content creator is utilizing the Amazon Associates program. And you can see here, like, the Amazon Associate program is like by far the largest affiliate program available. Now, what is it, right? So it's the ability for you to be able to recommend products, okay, that are on Amazon, whether it be a microphone, a camera, equipment that you're buying for your stream, or even other tools or products that are sold on Amazon. You're able to go ahead and recommend that to your audience to be able to start earning commission. You can see here, how does the Amazon Associate program work? You can share products that are available on Amazon to your audience, and when they do buy that product or any other product in the first 24 hours after clicking your link, you're going to earn a commission from that. So this is something you can start doing from day one. Grab your camera, record a product review of the products that you have, and you can start earning money that way. When you're live on stream and somebody asks you, hey, where did you get that cool light? Where did you get that cool tool? And you can recommend Amazon to that audience and start earning a commission that way. The second way that you can start earning money from day one is utilizing a tool called StreamLoots, what I like to call gamifying your stream, which is a way to be able to encourage your viewers to be able to spend money in exchange to be able to get access to certain things on your stream. So one thing that StreamLoots does very well is giving you the availability to make this engagement fun. So a way that they do this is by allowing your viewers to be able to buy packs, right? Just like you would Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, whatever the case may be. Well, you're able to set the price. Let's say you do $5.99 for a pack, and that pack comes with 3 different cards. Well, those cards, what they allow you to do is, like, maybe one card is about push-ups, maybe another card is about drinking water. Whatever the case is, it gives your viewers a way to be able to spend money to support you, but at the same time be able to create engagement and excitement for your stream by utilizing those cards. So this is a great tool to be able to utilize. And when you just get started, StreamLoots takes 20% of your money and you keep 80%. Once you get partnered with them, which doesn't take very long, as long as you continue to go through the process, you then start earning 90% of the money that you get, and they only take 10%. So that's the second way that you can start earning money today. The third way that you can start earning money is by using a service called Buy Me Coffee. Now, Buy Me Coffee is completely free to go ahead and sign up, but if you're not an affiliate, if you're not a partner streamer, if you're just getting started, this is a great way to be able to allow your community or your viewers or your friends and family to be able to support you, okay, in an easy manner. So what this does is Buy Me Coffee is simple, meaningful way to fund your creative work. So if somebody's getting value from your content, whether that be your YouTube videos, whether that be a blog post, whether that be the stream that you're doing, this is a great way to allow people to be able to easily donate to you. So it's similar to like Patreon, similar to like PayPal. It's just another way to be able to offer an opportunity for someone to be able to donate to you. So Buy Me Coffee is going to be the third way that you can start earning money as a new streamer. Then the third way, of course, which you probably know by now, is going to be merch. Now, the easiest way to go ahead and start your merch now is this is probably not something you're going to start earning money from day one. But if you do it the right way and you create merch and you start marketing it and promoting it on social media, this is a way for you to start earning money. And a website called like Spreadshop is going to be a great way to get started, because you don't need to build a website. You don't need to go through all that process. They have a marketplace, so people can potentially stumble upon your merch without you even having doing any kind of marketing. But I use Spreadshirt because it's also another way to link to YouTube to be able to have that opportunity to be able to sell products. So selling your own merch is going to be another way to be able to do this. It doesn't have to just be t-shirts. They sell all kinds of products, right? From hoodies to tote bags to mugs to cell phone cases. The opportunities are literally endless. And if you can get creative, you can start creating your products to start selling that to the market. Now, the fourth way that you can start earning money, and this is by far probably my most favorite way aside from the Amazon affiliate program, and that's going to be affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, it's similar to what you would do do with Amazon, where you're recommending products for Amazon, but affiliate marketing goes wider, right? This comes to where now you're recommending products or software to your viewers or to your audience to be able to earn a commission. A great example of this is going to be tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Restream, any kind of software company or any kind of product. This can be G Fuel, this can be Elgato. All these companies offer a opportunity for you to be able to earn money when you recommend a product. So the easiest way to think about this is just like when you go ahead and you watch a new movie, you go to a restaurant, you recommend your friend to go check out that restaurant, to check out that movie. Instead of you doing that now, when you recommend a product, these companies are going to pay you to be able to go ahead and recommend that product. This also comes down to brand deals and brand sponsorships, but this is something you can do from day one. Find companies, find products that you enjoy working with, and go ahead and start making content around that or recommending it to your audience so you can start earning a commission. And the site that I love to use is called Impact. They have a endless amount of brands that they already connected with, that you just create an account on Impact. You can get connected with Adidas, Airbnb, Allstate. You can find companies that are related to the things that you're doing, and you can start recommending them, and they instantly do a direct deposit. Like when people are signing up, they send you a commission. I have a company that I'm partnered with, which is Placeit, which is sell overlays and designs, where I get commissions consistently because I've created videos and content around showing people how to create their overlays. So these are ways that you can start earning money no matter how many followers you have, no matter how many subscribers, no matter where you're at in your journey. This is an opportunity for you to start making money today, as long as you're willing to put in the work. So these are going to be the 5 ways that you're going to start making money today as a new content creator, as a new streamer. They all take work to develop, but I just wanted to show you guys the possibilities and what's available to you if you just think outside of the box. And if you want to learn more about how to use YouTube to be able to grow your stream and income, go ahead and check out my free 7-day YouTube training for streamers that I created to be able to help you get started. The link to access the training is in the description below. And if you haven't started your YouTube gaming channel yet, go ahead and watch this video right here where I show you how to go ahead and get started. As always, if you guys are getting value from today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, together, we all can thrive.